for less than 20 bucks. Yeah, you heard me right, $20. Light boxes are a great tool to have in your studio. They're excellent for tracing artwork and really helpful when weeding vinyl. Side note, see our other tutorial on weeding vinyl tips. Let's head to the studio and I'll show you how to make your very own light box for less than 20. This is literally a cardboard box that the dog food came in. And what I'm going to do is place flashlights in it. These are LED flashlights. This one you'll see I had to use painter's tape to hold it in place. But these other ones will stand right up. Of course, I could use painter's tape if need be. We'll turn on the lights, and then I bought this piece of Plexons, kind of like plexiglass, from my local hardware store, and it's going to sit right on top. Now, I did buy clear because I wanted the most light to shine through. And what I have found is when I'm working on a smaller project like this, it kind of hurts my eyes staring at the light. So in retrospect, I probably would have bought the frosted one. And if I was doing it again, I would buy the frosted one. So the fix for that, just in case your store only sells clear, is I've actually just been putting a piece of parchment paper down. That kind of dulls this a little bit so it doesn't hurt my eyes as much. Now, depending on how big of an area that I'm tracing or how big of a vinyl project I'm weeding, I will often put more than one flashlight inside of my cardboard box so I can light up more space. As I also mentioned, staring directly down at this, even through something that I'm tracing, was so bright on my eyes that it was really bothering my eyes after a while. Initially, I tried putting a piece of parchment paper over this. I tried regular printer paper, but in the end, what I found works best for me is poster board. So I actually am using 2 pieces of poster board on there, and that just softens the light enough that I can still see through it to see what I'm tracing or the cut lines in my vinyl, but it doesn't hurt my eyes. So depending on how bright your flashlights are, you can choose a covering method that works best for you. Personally, one of my favorite parts about this, aside from the price and the fact that it works so well, is that now it's easy to store. When I'm done, just take these items off, turn off my flashlights, put the flashlights away. I can store this piece of cardboard someplace, or even oftentimes I take this whole thing and just put it right on a shelf. It doesn't take up that much space. This you could stand up on a bookcase, or even just putting the whole thing like this and putting it up on a shelf. Doesn't take up much room at all. There's no cords that you're tripping over. And there you have it, a light box for your crafting space for under $20. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, visit our website, calicocali.com. Embroidery designs, SVG cuttable files, cute nail decals, notions, long arm quilting, and more. Thanks for stopping by.